Want to make your Facebook posts stand out with music? Here's how to add music to a Facebook post in seconds. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top of the screen, tap on What's on Your Mind. Now, select the photo or image you want to upload. Type the caption or text for your post. Look just above your keyboard and swipe up on the options bar. Tap on Music. You'll see a list of available songs. Tap on a song to select it and adjust the part of the track if you want. When everything looks good, tap Done. Then tap Post in the top right corner. Your Facebook post with music is now live. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more Facebook tips and easy tutorials.